General Anselm Sanyatwe pokuda mashure kunzi aiwa he was booted out of the barracks. Vanhu vanyatso kuona kuti aiwa kubuditswa kwakaitwa from the barracks kana kubviswa papost yakanga ari as the army commander panguva idoyo yakanga inyatso kuonekwa pachena kuti this move was unconstitutional. Yanga ine ma-allegations akawanda aiwa a-betrayal aiwa ne-possible coup. Ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina muzimba edanyora chiti former Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe is officially handed over power to his successor, General Emmanuel Matatu, in a tightly controlled ceremony held midweek at Josiah Magama Tokogara Barracks, formerly KG6. Sanyatwe, a powerful figure in the military establishment and the newly appointed Minister of Sports, was abruptly retired by President Emmerson Mnangagwa on the eve of the controversial 31st March protest organized by ex-ZANU-PF Central Committee member and war veteran Blessed Geza. The official narrative framed the move as part of a cabinet reshuffle necessitated by the elevation of outgoing sports minister Kesti Coventry to the president of the International Olympic Committee (IOC). However, insider says the timing was far from coincidental. According to senior government sources, mnangagwaZim redeployment of Sanyatwe was a strategic effort to disarm potential military dissent linked to VP Constantino Chiwenga. As tensions escalated ahead of the protest, Mnangagwa flooded the streets with the riot police and army units, not just to deter public demonstrations, but also to send a clear message to elements within the security forces whose loyalties were increasingly in question. Sanyatwe, who once commanded the Presidential Guard and led the deadly post-election crackdown in 2018 that killed at least 6 civilians, was viewed as a potential power broker. Thomas Kwanabuda Panapa, wanachiona kuti aiwa General Anselm Sanyatwe panguva ino aiwa zvachizodhakwa manje. Penda comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu comment section medu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.